Here's what the rainfall looked like over the last 24 hours. A notable hole between Louisville, Frisco, and McKinney and Anna. Not much there. DFW only picked up 600s, but most of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, 10 to a quarter of an inch of rain, a little bit heavier totals to the northwest of Fort Worth, and then across all of North Texas. A couple spots picked up 1.5 near Stephenville and Eastland, and then some heavier totals in Far East Texas and parts of Louisiana and Arkansas. 83 right now. That's better. A lot better. Yesterday was 97, so we were much cooler today. Ragweed is still high, grass is high, elm is moderate, and fungus is low. As we take a look at satellite and radar, you see we are clearing out even more. So we've had cloudy skies most of the day. We were saying yesterday that I suspect most of the day stays cloudy, but by the last few hours of the afternoon into the evening before the sun sets, we'll get a little bit of sunshine, and we're starting to now, and we'll have some clear skies overnight tonight. It's going to be a nice night. It's going to be one of those nights where you wake up in the morning, it's going to feel great. 65 in Denton, 64 in Decatur, 63 in Bowie, 67 Dallas, 66 in Waxahachie, and 66 in Terrell. Highs tomorrow, 85 Dallas, 81 in Gainesville, 81 in Bonham. This is pretty close to the normal. The normal is 86. Nowhere near the record, which was set back in 2005. This 102 is the record then. 84 in Waxahachie, 84 Granbury. So you get the idea. Seasonably warm tomorrow. And then for the opening weekend for the State Fair of Texas, there's opening day, Friday, the opening weekend. About as good as it gets in North Texas. This time of the year, it's obviously still warm. I showed you. If I'm going to go back a graphic to show you, the normal high is 86. So if we look at the 86, 88, 87, we're right around normal and we're dry. And that's, I think, the more important part, because if there's one thing that's going to ruin fairgoers' day, it's big thunderstorms rolling through the State Fair. We have zero rain as we go through as we go through opening day and then through opening weekend. It looks really nice. Trust me, and if you're from Texas, and you've been out to the State Fair during opening weekend, there have been plenty where it's been really hot. This one's going to be very warm, of course, but that's the normal for this time of the year. As we look at the planner for opening day itself, breaking it down kind of hourly here for early in the morning, if you're heading out, when it opens, 72 degrees, that's perfect. 86 at 4 o'clock, 81 by 7. And then as we look at high temps over the next 5 days, yes, we go back to warmer temps. Middle and upper 80s, that's certainly on the warm side, and it is a couple of degrees warmer than normal, but we're kind of sitting really close to that baseline where we're in the middle 80s to upper 80s, and that's what we expect to see this time of the year. No real fall just yet. We usually don't get that until mid to end of October, so we still have several weeks to go. 67 degrees tonight, clear skies, 83 tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, north winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Looking through the data yesterday, looking through the data today, there are no significant chances of rain over the next 2 weeks. Really no signal for anything that would be worth putting a rain chance into the 14-day forecast. So as we take a look at the next 2 weeks, let's go to Saturday. That's going to be the State Fair Classic. Temperatures in the upper 80s with mostly sunny skies. And as we go beyond that, seasonably warm. I know Pete likes when I say seasonably warm. It's very conversational. Moist. But there you go, 89 next Wednesday. And then, it does get warm. Will it hit 90 at some point over the next 2 weeks? Of course. It always does this time of the year. It would be weird if it didn't. But overall, very tranquil weather over the next 2 weeks.
Jesse, how much does it hurt you to please Pete?
I will be honest with you, it is something I talk to my psychiatrist about monthly.
Stop.
But I do love the guy, and I hate to admit it, but he's great.
That's something else to talk to them about, too.
Let me save